Whelen HHS3200 200W Siren Review. Ever wondered why this saves lives instantly? Ever felt frustrated with your emergency vehicle setup? Like something is just not powerful enough? Drop a comment if this hits home. Whether you're a first responder, volunteer firefighter, or fleet manager, struggling with weak sirens or complicated controls can be nerve-wracking. What if one device could solve multiple problems, boosting both sound and control instantly? Imagine rushing through traffic with sirens that barely cut through engine noise or failing to get driver attention in critical moments. Deadlines, pressure, and life-or-death situations make reliability essential. What if there was a siren system that delivered crystal clear, high-powered warnings and intuitive controls, all in one compact, weatherproof unit, so you could focus on the mission, not the gear? Enter the Whelen HHS3200 200W Siren, designed for emergency vehicles that demand authority and reliability. With 200 watts of power, it pierces through ambient noise, ensuring your Wail, Yelp, piercer, or Airhorn tones grab attention immediately. The compact, all-in-one design integrates speaker and amplifier, reducing wiring hassles. One fleet manager shared, installing it was seamless, and the siren is unbelievably loud. Our drivers notice instantly. Equipped with 37 preset tones, 8 10-amp relays, and a 15-amp relay output, it also includes the intuitive CNCTL5 handheld controller, giving responders full control at their fingertips. Compatible with both high and low current lights, the system is a perfect match for any emergency vehicle setup. Its durable UV-resistant polycarbonate housing withstands sun, rain, and debris, ensuring long-term performance. Bonus tip: customize tones and relays with Whelen's Windows-based software for optimized alerts. The HHS3200 isn't just a siren. It's a life-saving tool that keeps crews and the public safe every time. Why do experts and thousands of first responders trust the Whelen HHS3200? It's more than a siren. It's a complete emergency vehicle control system. Analysts highlight its 200-watt output, ensuring audibility even in urban chaos. Industry experts rave about its compact, hideaway design that integrates seamlessly into vehicles while maintaining a robust, rugged build. Influencers and upfitters report the audio clarity and volume are unmatched. Installation is fast, and failure rates are virtually zero. Users echo this. It's audible from blocks away, even over traffic, and the multiple tones allow us to adapt to any situation. From fire engines to police interceptors, its versatility shines. 8 10-amp relays plus one 15-amp relay allow simultaneous control of sirens and lights, while the CNCTL5 handheld interface ensures precise, responsive operation under stress. Its programmable software gives departments full customization. Which feature would help your emergency team the most? Comment below. Whether for voice PA announcements, controlling light bars, or issuing standard Wail and Yelp alerts, the HHS3200 streamlines operations, enhances response efficiency, and improves public safety, all in one sleek, durable package. Don't wait. Join countless first responders who rely on the Whelen HHS3200 200W Siren for critical, life-saving alerts. Limited stock. With 200 watts of power, 37 tones, and an intuitive handheld controller, this system makes emergency response easier, faster, and safer. Click now to unlock full control over sirens, lights, and PA functions. Rugged, reliable, and compact, it's the siren every professional vehicle deserves. Don't just equip your vehicle. Upgrade your team's response capabilities today.